First thing when you get off-road, really need to set your tyre pressures to a lower pressure. Today we're going to be using the Mean Mother Tyre Deflators. They come in a 4-pack. All right, very easy, set and forget. We have the pressure reading in PSI. So what you'll do is wind it up to whatever the desired setting you're after. I'm on the beach today. I like to start at around 18 PSI for the beach. So we'll dial it up to just below 20 there, screw down our locking ring, and there we go, we're set to go. So simple enough, you just screw it on, air starts coming out, give it a flick, then connect all 4. And there you have it. 2.5 minutes later, all 4 tyres down to 18 PSI. With your Mean Mother Tyre Deflators, they come with 4 spare caps and a threaded end for you to screw your cap on so you don't lose them. Another handy feature, very maintenance friendly. If you drop them in the sand or the dirt, right, all you need to do is unscrew them, clean them out, give a bit of a blow, and rinse them in some water. There you go, clean.